Hey, what's up? This is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can make money with Clickbank fast. So, if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a passive income online. So, without a further ado, let's get started. So, the very first thing which we have to do is we need to go into clickbank.com. And if you don't know what Clickbank is a marketplace that contains different products in different categories. As you can see, there are different categories: arts and entertainment, business investing, computers, e-business and marketing. So they've got different products, info products, which you can promote and earn commission. I'll be giving you step by step as to what you have to do. So the very first thing which you have to do if you do not have your account on Clickbank is you need to click on create account, and let me show you how you need to create your account. Okay, you need to select your country. So if your country is not listed in this particular list which you are seeing, then Clickbank may not be available in your country. So let me just put this email address. And after we have put in all the information, click next. And over here you need to put your banking information, as that is how you will be paid through Clickbank. So I'll just put my name. Okay. Need to click this, and unless you read it, it won't allow you to proceed further. So just scroll down. You don't have to read everything. Okay, now the button is enabled. Click next. Okay, now you need to choose your nickname. That is going to be your login name. So make sure you don't forget your login name, otherwise you won't be able to recover your account and you have to create a new account. You can change your password but not the nickname. Now it should go through. Yes, now it says survey. I don't think you can skip it. I believe required how you are planning to use this specific as an affiliate account. Please one of them. If you're starting, submit, and the account should be created. Yeah. So now the account has been created. Now next, what you have to do, you need to go into Marketplace. This is where you will find different products to promote. So these are all different categories which you were also seeing on the home page. So let's say you want to promote something in home and garden, and let's say animal care and pets. So by default you will get the results based on the popularity. You can also choose the results based on gravity. Gravity is the number of affiliates who are making the sales in the last month or so. So as it shows the gravity of 70.1, so it means 70 affiliates have made sale in last 1 month. And this is the average dollar per sale. This is so you're going to get $31 as a commission if you promote this product. So as an example, let's take this product. You need to check it out first of all, what this is all about. So it seems to be a dog training product. So basically it could be an ebook or a video course which will help you to train your dog. Okay, so let's say you have decided to promote this product. So the next thing which you have to do, you need to get your affiliate link. which you will get from here. When you click on promote, you can just leave it as it is. This is your account nickname, and then you need to click on generate hop links. So this is your link. What you need to do, you need to just copy this, then you can close this window. And then next what you have to do, you need to go to a website called Bitly. That is a URL shortener, because the link which you got is that ugly looking link, a long link. So what you need to do, you need to shorten that link. So just paste that link over here and click on shorten, and you can see this is the shortened link which you have got. So you need to copy it. And now the question is how you are going to promote this. So there are a number of ways you can promote this affiliate link. You can promote it on your social media, on your Facebook. You can join different groups in Facebook related to that particular product, related to dog training. So the idea is you need to join those groups, answer questions, and then suggest this product. If people are facing any issues, then you can recommend this product to them. There is one more way with which you can promote this, by going to a website called Quora. Quora is a question and answer website, and which is very useful. I personally answer a lot many questions on Quora, and that is also used for promoting your affiliate offers. So the idea is you need to again look for the questions related to your product, which is dog training. So you need to go in this topic, and as you can see, there are people asking the questions. So you need to answer these questions. Even if you don't know the answer, you can just Google it and provide the answer, and you don't have to spam your link in the answer. I'll tell you a strategy which you have to follow on Quora. You need to answer 3 questions without putting your link, and then put your link in the 4th answer. So that is how I personally do it, and that is how you need to do it. That is the most effective way to promote your links on Quora. Otherwise, Quora will ban your account. They will ban your answer if you just put links in every other answer of yours. 3 questions without link, answer them, and then in the 4th question put your link. You can also put your link in your profile section, which you can see over here. Like I've got this link, I've got this link, I've got this link, I've got link to my YouTube channel. So that is the best way, and you can also ask people to check your profile for additional information. Rather than putting the link in your answer, you can just direct them to your profile, and you can put the link in your profile. So guys, this is the best way to make money with Clickbank fast, and I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a free course in the description down below. Just click on the link and go through this affiliate marketing free course. And if you have any questions, I'm here for you. I'm here to answer all your questions. If you're stuck somewhere, reach out to me on Facebook, on email, or all my social links are down there. So just reach out to me and I'll answer your question. So guys, that is all for this particular video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.